Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we start a new month of October 2023, it's incredible how the time flies. We are going to look at market share for Windows. Where does Windows 11 stand? Well, it's kind of interesting. So here, if we have the numbers, 71.6% goes to Windows 10, big domination of Windows 10. And if we look at what it is, 71.6 for September, was 71.9 for August, 71.1 for July. It's pretty much 71% here for June. Look at that. It's staying at 71. It's just not budging. It's not going up, going down. Windows 10 is staying there. People are staying on Windows 10. It's obvious that that's what's happening. And of course, it has a consequence. The number 2 operating system is Windows 11, 23.6%. Now, if we look at the data for Windows 11 on the same scale, so 23.6% for September, we've got 23.2% for August, 23.6% for July, 23.9% for June. What this tells me is that Windows 11 has stopped growing. There was a steady growth for Windows 11 when we look at the different months before that, and we could see the rise here on this line. But look at that. It's pretty much now stagnant, not budging, not moving up, not moving down. It seems that the people that wanted to go on Windows 11 are there, and it's staying there. And if we look at PC sales, there are PCs that are being sold, which is interesting. It's not making this line budge. It's staying there all the time. So this is interesting. We are at, I'm going to say it again, we are at a very interesting moment where I don't know what's going to happen, but Windows 12 needs to have something special to have people moving on, because 71%, staying there at 71%. Windows 10 is extremely popular. It is now 2 years left before end of support. This is, I have never seen, and we've never had in the past, an operating system that 2 years before end of support is still so high in support. Even Windows 7, about 2 years before end of support, was down to like 30%. It's really not the same game here. So something will have to happen there. Windows 12 maybe next year is going to change that, but for now, and Windows 11 I think has reached a maximum peak. And I wonder if part of it isn't due to the fact that maybe people are just like, I'm on 10, I'll buy a new PC or I'll move on when 12 is there. I'm going to jump over 11. You know, it's that version of Windows where people just jump over it. And that is interesting. So that's the numbers we have. And they are truly interesting in for somebody like me that just kind of looks at what Microsoft will have to do in the next year or two. And they'll have to gain, you know, they'll have to get those Windows 10 people. And of course, a lot of those, the majority of those are actually enterprise. So that's the most difficult of all to move on to anything else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.